Question number 26 is part A. Define a wavefront. Use Huygens principle to verify the laws of refraction. And part B is how is linearly polarized light obtained by the process of scattering of light. Find the Raystrel angle for air glass interface when the refractive index of glass is 1.5. In the other part, the question is draw a ray diagram to show the image formation by a combination of two thin convex lenses in contact. Obtain the expression for the power of this combination in terms of focal length of the lenses. In the part is a ray of light passing from air through an equilateral glass prism undergoes minimum deviation when the angle of incidence is 3/4 of the angle of prism. Calculate the speed of the light in prism. Now coming to the solution. So we have to define wavefront. So a wavefront is continuous locus of all the particles of a medium which are vibrating in the same phase. And we have to use Huygens principle to prove the law of refraction. So we will draw this diagram. Now in triangle A dash B. So in triangle A dash B, sine I is A dash B over AB. Okay, sine I is A dash over A dash B over AB. Now this is the equation 1. So in triangle AB dash B, sine R is AB dash over AB. This is the equation 2. Now on dividing equation 1 by 2, we are getting A dash B over AB dash, which is this, and sine I over R is mu. So this is the law of Snell's law of refraction. So now coming to the B part. So when a beam of light is scattered through a medium containing particles whose size is of the order wavelength of light, then the beam gets scattered. When the scattered beam is viewed through an analyzer in the direction at the right angle to the direction of incidence, it is found to be plane polarized. This is called polarization by scattering. So we will draw this diagram. Now we know that tan IP is mu and tan IP is given as 1.5. So we can find it IP, which is tan inverse 1.5, and this is it. Now coming to the OR part. In part A of the OR part question, we will draw this. Okay, so for first lens, object is at O and image is at I dash. Okay, O and I dash. So for first lens, object is at O and image is at I dash. So we will write this equation accordingly. Similarly for second lens also, we will write this equation accordingly as object is at I and image is at I. And now adding equation 1 and 2, we will be getting 1 over f1 plus 1 over f2 equals to 1 over v minus 1 by u. So if f is the combined focal length, then 1 over f equals to 1 over v minus 1 by u. So from equation 3, 1 by f equals to 1 by f1 plus f2, and p is 1 over f1 plus 1 over f2, and since 1 over f is p, so final p is this. So now solving the b part of the OR question. So we are given that a is 60 degree, so I is 3 by 4 a, so it is 45 degree. So for angle of minimum deviation, r is a by 2, that is 60 degree by 2, r is 30. So mu will be sin I over sin r, so it is equals to sin 45 over 30 degree. So we will solve this. Okay, we know c, value of c, so we'll, upon solving it, we're getting this speed of the light in the prism, and upon simplification we are getting this is equals to 2.12 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second.